Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix a problem where Spotify says that something went wrong and you need to try again later. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you open Spotify and all of a sudden it says that you need to try again later and that something went wrong, a couple of things you can do is to open up Spotify. You can then scroll down to storage and clear the cache on Spotify. Sometimes this may help just kind of let the app run smoother. Another thing you can do is hop out of Spotify, go to the App Store and search for Spotify. So I'll go ahead and do that real fast. You then want to check if it needs an update. As you can see, it does not. However, the icon for it looks like Apple Music. The one beside it right there is the update icon. Finally, the last thing you can do is head to Settings, scroll down to General, click on iPhone Storage. Then you want to wait for this page to load. Once it is done loading, you want to find Spotify. You can either scroll down or search for it in the top right corner. So I'll go ahead and do that and click search for Spotify. You then need to offload the app. All those to do is free up the app and keep its documents and data so you don't got to worry about any of your data disappearing. You then want to reinstall it once it is done offloading. You then want to clear the app and open it back up and see whether or not it keeps having this problem on Spotify. So I hope one of these methods does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.